Hi! In front of me is POCO C50 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this POCO. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on additional settings. Following that, select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Lastly, just click on Theme section, scroll down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. Then click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, you can always do that by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now just click on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then choose Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and click on Done. Lastly, manage key borders and choose Apply. If you want to get rid of one of your keyboards, tap on the chosen one and select this pin icon next to key borders. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to edit one of your custom ones, just click on it and tap on this pen icon next to the bin one. Then make your changes, choose Next, adjust brightness and tap on Save. Lastly, select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!